welcome to my channel. How are you all? Myself Richa Jory. I have done PhD in food and nutrition and working as a freelancer as nutritionist. I have brought something different for you today. I'll talk about the nutrition in sports persons. Sports person, as we all know, that any type of person who is engaged in any type of sports, whether it be any game or yoga or aerobics, person practicing in a gym or anywhere else. So first I'll talk about all the nutrients which should be taken by a particular sports persons. First is carbohydrates. Carbohydrates, as we all know, that it provides instant energy to our body. And complex carbohydrates should be taken more rather than simple carbohydrates. Next, fats. Fats also has the same function as it provides energy to our body, but it provides double the amount of carbohydrates. Like if we get 2 kilocalories from carbohydrates, we will get 4 kilocalories from fats. But yes, sports person should not take too much of fats because it will deposit it in their adipose tissue and they'll become fatty, which will be very much harmful for their health, and they'll find difficulty in playing any type of games or sports. Rather they will become lethargic or dull, and that will just hinder their physical activities. Next comes vitamins and minerals. They are very much important for the maintenance and regulation of the body. If vitamins and minerals are taken in proper amounts, proper maintenance of body will be there. Fiber is very much essential in the diet of the sports persons because it helps to keep their body proper. Proper bowel movement is there and it helps to prevent constipation. Plus their skin will also glow and they will keep themselves healthy. Now the most important nutrient is proteins. The function of proteins is to repair the damaged tissues, help in healing the body, and help to repair the wear and tear of the body tissues. So in proteins are very good quality of plant proteins. Soya beans, legumes, cereals, pulses, beans, they are good quality proteins. And if taken in proper amounts, the sports person shall remain refreshed and relaxed. Now, the most important is water therapy. Water, as we all know, we know the vital functions of the water. Water helps to maintain the body temperature and also helps to keep our things in the diluted form. Plus, our blood will also be in diluted form, so that will help to remain ourselves calm and quiet. Now, the sports person should not take the diet together. Means first of all, in the whole day 5 to 6 diets can be taken, and that to be divided. Means after every 3 hours he or she should take the some or the other amount of food items, so that he is not he does not feel boredom or he does not feel lethargic, and the mind also remains very calm. So these were all the things which the sports person should take. Plus, now what things a sports person should avoid? Sports person should not take too much of sugary sports drinks or too much of fatty foods, aerated drinks, cold drinks, tinned foods, canned foods. That should be avoided by a sports person. We all know the famous saying, all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. So playing and exercising is very important for in our life. So that's all for today. I have given you some major tips for the sports persons, and if a sports person follow these dietary guidelines, he or she shall remain fit and healthy. Now all for today. Thank you everyone. If you like my video, don't forget to press the like button and even subscribe and share my video to others. Bye everyone.